You are welcome. Today we are going to talk about the piano keys. When we talk about the piano keys, we are actually talking about the keys that constitute the keyboard. You will see the keyboard on a piano. You would see a keyboard on an organ. You would see a keyboard on the digital keyboard, right? So we are going to talk about the names of the keys. If you look at this keyboard, you would notice that they are black and white in terms of color, right? The white keys are named after the first 7 letters of alphabet, and the black keys are the enharmonic keys. Now, the enharmonic keys are keys that have two names. In other words, they can be described from two perspectives. All right, I would explain it as we proceed. When you look at the black keys, you will see that they are arranged in 2s and 3s. All right, it's very important. The white key before the first 2 black keys. I repeat, the white key before the first 2 black keys is known as C. The white key before the 2 black keys is known as C. So this key is known as C, right? Now, the white key in between the 2 black keys is known as D. Immediately above the 2 black keys is E. So this is my E. So this is C, D, E. The white key before the 3 black keys is known as F. The white key above F is G. The white key above G is A. The white key immediately above the 3 black keys is B. These are the natural keys that we have. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B are known as the natural keys. Now let's go to the black keys. I told you before that the black keys are known as enharmonic keys. Now, enharmonic keys are keys that have 2 names. This black key is in between C and D. You can call this key C sharp. That is C sharp or D flat. This key is in between D and E. So that means you can call this key D sharp or E flat. Right? The same thing is applicable to this one. So this is in between F and G. You can call it F sharp or G flat. This one you can call it G sharp or A flat. This one you can call it A sharp or B flat. So this is C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and this is A sharp. Or we call it D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, or B flat. So if you are approaching it from your left hand side to your right, you have sharp. If you are approaching it from your right hand side to the left, you have flat. Those are the names of the piano keys. Every piano key has a name, right? So before I end this lesson, let me make it clear that piano keys or the keyboard is arranged in octave. Whatsoever is in octave 1 is also in octave 2. It's also the same in octave 3 and the same in octave 4, 5, depending on the size of the keyboard. The only difference is that they will give you different sounds, different pitches. They are not the same in terms of pitch, but they are the same in terms of organization. So this is my C in this octave. In the higher octave, this is my C. In the higher octave, this is my C. So whatever is here is also here. This is D, and this is D, and this is D. So this is E, and this is E, and this is E. This is F, F, and F. This is G, G, and G. This is A, and A. So the same thing, just the same. That is it about the names of the piano keys. Alright, if you have any question, just let me know. Right, thank you very much.